Maybe that's what it is. But see, it shouldn't. I don't know if they didn't have the color, but now, but see, this is the right color, where it's not like that. I don't know what that they got now don't add up to the phone, so I'm trying to get the phone straightened out, so because I don't have anything else to use, and get it to work. This on the frame, but see like this, I think you're supposed to cut this. This is supposed to be cut off, like when they made the foam in the mold. This is like if you fill a bowl up and it overflows. This would be like overflowing. So I gotta cut this off, but then I gotta get the cover to fit. And I've already went through some crap with the cushion because the Velcro that they have on the cover, it doesn't work with the Velcro that they have on the phone, to the phone, so the Velcro's wouldn't hold. So I wound up gluing the middle of the cover to the phone, and then I had to hog ring the back, put a piece of plastic on there so that I could get the rest of this to go to slide over without all of the back coming back loose. With the new cover and this, and this piece of foam, it wasn't even a opening here. So that piece of foam, I mean, material there is this. And I had to take and cut, I guess, about this much of it off so that it will pull this back or push this up so that some of this opening was showing, because the cover is so wrong that there's no opening in the new one. And then right here, it's so wrinkled this way, I had to cut it loose, but I can't go back, to there because of the stitch. So I had to top stitch it about there, and then from there, probably the width of my thumb, from here to there, to pull this in to get some of that wrinkle out. Because this wouldn't have been on there, and they would have ran the stitch off the edge and then put this on there. But then again, you never know. But see, this side, and this is the inside of the, no it ain't, this is the outside. But the inside is almost as bad cracking up or whatever it's doing as the outside.